to transfer data from your old phone to Realme Note 70T, what you can do is you can use the Clone Phone app that you should have pre-installed on your Realme Note 70T. So this is the app that I'm talking about. Let's actually open it over here. And once you open it, you want to go to Settings. There we go. We need to find the Clone Phone app. Let's go. And we need to allow display over other apps. And let's go back. All right. Now, before we move on over here, we have to actually download the same app on your old device. So you can go to the Play Store and then search for Clone Phone app. And we are looking for this one, Oppo Clone Phone. This is the same app. And we're gonna install it. It is made by Color OS. So if you go over here, let's see if we can find more information again. Maybe not. All right, so nevertheless, you should be able to install it. And once you install it, let's open it. There we go. Press agree and continue. And all right, so now we are ready to scan the QR code. So we have to select that this is the new device on our Realme Note 70T. Let's grant the permissions. There we go. Now here we need to choose what is our old previous device. So if you had Oppo, Realme, or OnePlus, you can choose this first option. If you had any other Android, then choose the second option. And of course, in the case of iPhone, choose iPhone. In my case, this is Redmi, so I have to choose other Android. And we have instruction to download this app that we just downloaded. So we can just quickly skip this and we can scan this QR code. So on our previous device, choose scan the QR code to connect. And in advance, I can say that if you have any issues with scanning the QR code, you can use connect manually over here on your Realme Note 70T as well as on your old device. So let's scan the QR code. Let's press OK. We can choose the authorize in that case if that happens and choose, for example, only this time. And we can now scan the QR code. So let me quickly do so. There we go. And over here, let's keep the authorizing and let's grant these permissions. Let's go to settings. And we need to grant the same permission again. So let's go to Clone Phone and allow display over other apps. And let's go back. All right, now we are searching for a device on our old smartphone. And there we go. Now we can press connect. Connection successful. So now we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So we can choose everything or you can choose something very specific. So I'm going to uncheck apps. I'm going to keep multimedia files and I'm going to uncheck everything else over here. There we go. I'm sure we cannot really choose what exactly we want to transfer, so we can transfer everything at once. Let's go next. Go to settings and let's grant access to all files. Let's go next again. And there we go. We are preparing data. So here we have another summary. And you can choose to, for example, move all pictures, all videos, all the data over here, music items, and so on and so forth. I'm going to actually uncheck music. I'm just going to transfer pictures in my case. And let's go next. Once again, tap the authorize if that happens and press allow. And over here we can start migration, I believe. So let's do that. Let's press OK. Start migration, and there we go. So now we need to patiently wait for the transfer to be done. The more files you try to transfer, the longer it will take, of course. But once it is done, you will see this information that the transfer is completed or migration complete. So we can press done over here. And done on our Realme Note 70T. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.